Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the order of the control center on Oppo smartwatches. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You do this from the Heytap Health app, so open up the app on your phone. Tap Manage in the bottom right corner. Then tap More. Tap Preferences. In the Preferences menu, tap Control Center. To reorder the items, hold down on the three lines to the right of an item, then drag it to the location that you would like. When the control center is ordered to your liking, tap Got It. The control center will now be reordered on your watch. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Oppo Watch tips and tricks.